Lenge testile kungam sa tangi kenazulya nima khashi jigrin leya ani zambulingi khoryuk songyob ki khalawarda thabjoba phume Greta Thunberg ki ani lengui call ya ngi kenazulya video mangbuchi soeche tembayi ta lengui di ta lamlong chung yo mare se tadi keje chireta mora ani Gaza badulya ani khaso saya thuya da men da ta dige mangu ji keje ani Gaza bad dwege thapshi cheware de ani Gaza lega lamalya Israel gi ma gi ka che ani khunzu Israel la party idene Israel ne khunzu susu lungbal pa lo tangbare sa dinde hindu sambala ani ta khunzu gi ta khalawre choba di nalo la michukji yore ta Greta Thunberg maimbe gi michukji yore michukji nalo la phume chigma do shen changmalo pa susu gegab la lo chai sa re shwe yi ta ine ya ta lengui di ani thar khyoba chungyor mare te lamlong chungyor mare shwe na ta nge ale thambong la lamlong chung yö de me se chura ti kol ya ma she gi ngol ya ani kenazuli ya thari Greta Thunberg khunju gi lengui di nalo ya choosing jithiora choosing di ming le ya ani Madleen se ming de tar Madleen se ming di kharichin ta barenes odi kol ya khala logu so de big shuna sams Madleen se di ming di chidane choosing di gi dabu di inji gi company cha de do re ine ya choosing di le khunju ming di Madleen khajin tar lana Gaza nang la yuwe khachi phume ji gi phume lo chungju ji gi mora labda dwe cham sha che ani me gi Gaza nang la yuwe ta kyobu duzu che de le sa ya thuye ming kyobu duzu che de la mora gyamzu nang do che nya sim che ani nya ki yo ne ani khunju gi khala nya suye che da khanda jimba ta ya la so dinde gi language pe do sa mo phumo lo chungju ani Gaza nang la yuwe phume nya sim nge 다 당부도 차리해서 레슈에 카지 비면나 당부도 차리해서 레슈에 제가 다리 아니 투진디기 밍리야 Madleen said 딱바티 아니 비면 코랑이 원에 아니 포워침부 중송신에 송디도 어다 디레 딘데 선발라 메기 콜라 년두 춘주 땡기 디야고지 시로 나슈에 다 되네 Greta Thunberg gi thanda language pesha jo di lamlong chungyor mares ta dikamyo dirwa ta lamlong tende chungyor e ji shwe yi lamlong chungyo be de khar lana ta Greta Thunberg gi ani language di ta juk di sare mora pha su gekap le sare ine Palestine gi chedula thandu ila khari chego ne chigi is chen sungu yore yimba ina ya ani mora gi thanda Gaza le dwegi ani kala ora language di Gaza la lip thu yo marde ine thering mora gi language di ke chene tha zambuling khyo yong la ya ani global march to Gaza se language pe gi dwa ta di language di khudi chinge de thanda sui me de nge sebu shuji ratu mas nge thanda shimju che de yo yimba ina ya zambuling gekap khasa khala ya ta mim mangbu chi Egypt se adil zomgu dwa Egypt gi gyasa Cairo se adil zom ta dine ani Egypt da ani Gaza ni gi sansam dile ya Rafah border se da di gyuni ani Gaza la dwe gi da shiwe khomdwe ji zambuling gi ta shiwe khomdwe se aji Gaza la dwe gi shiwe khomdwe se aji language pe gi dwa ta di indu zamba dile ya ani mi chikal tongda khashi ji da thi khashi ji rem da mi bum bum khora zomyung yesa ta mi dige di susu gebal ya ani saya thuya me da dinde khise ani Gaza gi chol dwegi ta language sawach pe gi do chiza Greta Thunberg gi thengui language pe me na ani dige language di yonga yo marwa chiza ta thanda language dinde ji pe yong do shwe yi ta di language di khang gyokjo ta Gaza gi chol dwegi ta language cha de do shwe yi di kola nge nye khashi tengi siro na shwe yi.
Will the global march to Gaza force a policy change on Israel? Thousands are planning to march to the Rafah border crossing in Egypt, demanding humanitarian access to the Gaza Strip. Just days after the Freedom Flotilla was stopped and its crew detained, could Israel and its supporters finally bend under the pressure of activism? I'm Andrea Sankey, and this is the Newsmakers.
Tension has escalated ahead of the protest at the Rafah border in Egypt. This protest is part of international efforts to deliver aid to people of Gaza. Activists from 30 countries, including South Africa, will embark on this protest at Rafah. For more on this, let's speak to SABC News correspondent Trent Murray. Trent, we saw reports that activists from 30 countries will march to the Rafah border. Any reaction from the government of Israel?
We won't be silent, free. Let's stop the bombing now. We are the people too. We won't be silent, free. Let's stop the bombing now. We are the people too. We won't be silent, free. Let's stop the bombing now.
I have arrived in Cairo. The Egyptian capital will serve as the starting point for the global march to Gaza. What is it about? On June 13th, thousands of activists from all around the world will gather in Cairo, then travel to Al Arish and march 50 kilometers to the Rafah border. On June 15th, a peaceful protest will be held in Rafah to call on Israel to open a permanent, independent, and humanitarian corridor to Gaza. People from all around the world are arriving in Cairo. We are here to march through the desert to the Rafah border to let aid in. We're hoping that we can accomplish that once we get to the border, open a humanitarian corridor. If we're not able to do that, because we do have a lot up against us, I hope that at the very least the people of Gaza know we are here for them, the world has come together for them, and that we will not accept a world that allows this, and their voices are heard. And that's what I'm hoping. At the very least, they just know that they have our solidarity and they have our support. The organizers of this protest have said that international support for the Palestinian struggle is growing and that it is gathering representatives from all over the world. Follow our journey in the coming days.
Ta teda chapchi ta zamuli nizu ji khar do de lana nature Donald Trump ari sinzingi ani kamyo ji so yore di kamyo di nanglo le ya Donald Trump gi zambuling di khanda the safe se injig sila safe huge yores thandi nedan la safe cha dios khanda zambuling di shide phagbe yo da lingja yo da kyonja me so de shi ge yorwa cheza da thanda Donald Trump gi keje di ta mabi bada zambuling same gi ta Donald Trump sa mai ba and topche gigab khagi uthi dige ani Israel la jabjo che ne Israel ya ta kabya gi da bejun shig du se dine keje shig da cheza Donald Trump gi khare sumba de chik siro na shwe yi.
I will tell you that the world is a much safer place right now, and I think in 2 or 3 weeks we could have it be a much safer place. We're going to handle a couple of situations that you have here. We have some very serious situations, and we're looking at Gaza, and we got to get that taken care of. A lot of people are starving. A lot of people are. There's a lot of bad things going on.
Ta thama dele ya ane khare shwe ilana nganzu ta pheba jimbe chane nganzu phebe chizo nalo le ya chidan zambuling ni zu mangbu chul thole ya kamyo nangi yorde ne thanda dida dewa yowa dinge ni zu sangbu chire samgu durwa dida dewa yobe thol kamyo nangi di shira mindu dinde yindu sambala ngarang wene da phebe chizo nalo khang mangmaji ti thole shetu na samnge video di sugu yowa dire cheza da ngarang zu pheba jimbe chane pheba se di tabzu bajira gigab gi thondale ya tabzu chinge chi chadi gi yore dinde yindu sambala nganzu gi ngone khunzu gi ta lenggu pedang da mangbuchi la tene nganzu gi jangwe gi nizu mangbuchi do samsang da nge theyung do dinde yindu sambala nge gi ta chik dingzu ma phebe chi zo na ma temba ina phebe mangbuchi gi ta chik samlo do godo ma cheung re esam maomba susu tabzu gi chedula kharkare chegu yume di samlo sawa dinde mangbuchi yongdo khawre samne nge di chane ni video lawarda nye de khang mama suye gi bezun shugu an dai an thojena